What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name's Curtis, and today we're out here at Overland Expo West out here in Flagstaff, and we're gonna get some film and shots of awesome and cool rigs. Also, my truck's over at Deviate right now, and I'm not really good at making videos at expos like this because I feel a little bit weird, but we're gonna try our best to walk around, show you guys some cool stuff, and talk to some of the homies and check out some Colorado bills, because there's definitely quite a few cool ones out here. So let's get to it. Wheels I got right there.
Yeah, mine are fucked up. I just installed the 6 plate for them, and now
What? Yeah. On the Colorado, you can't use the 60/40. You got to do the whole seat. Because GM put it together, the whole seat's together. It's one piece. About that? Dude, where's my truck at?
Yeah, it's actually, I think all of these are pre, you were correct. We're still getting through them.
Would you take a shit?
No.
Look at the flatbed right here. That's what I want. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, dude. A flatbed. Oh, careful, bud. Dude, I gotta check out this flatbed.
come on in.
Dude, I'm the other Colorado YouTube guy, Downtime Lost.
Okay.
That dude. And I'm checking out the flatbeds. Oh.
Yeah, take a gander, dude.
Dude, these things are fucking sick. Yeah, I was talking to somebody about maybe getting one of these.
Yeah.
But do you guys do like with the GFC with the like the side boxes? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. So we're in the process of designing
the
cargo boxes.
Gotcha.
Right now we've got just like basically a bed rack that you can put a rooftop tent on.
Yeah, I seen that one.
Yeah. So CBI's got a 4th gen.
Yeah. Cause I have a GFC, so it'd be sick to have the side boxes with the hop in, you know, GFC.
Yeah.
But yeah, dude, pretty dope. Oh, bud.
Is it like a long hair or short hair?
Short.
Short hair?
Yeah.
So cute.
It's
The little weens.
Yeah, he's a cute little guy.
I love this whole dog sign thing. Is you have to be careful with like stairs. He's like 3 years now, so he's pretty calmed down now, but yeah, he used to be pretty
You wanna lay down, dude? Lay down?
No music, and it just you just hear it hitting the plastic.
Some macaroni salad?
No, I'm good.
I try to eat good.
See on squirt.
Oh yeah.
You want no mac salad?
No, I'm good.
There you go,
No
bud.
mac for me. Thank you.
Which one? Pick one. Pick one.
I'm gonna take this one.
One in there?
Yep.
Professional wiener picker right there.
Yeah, perfect. You got some mac if you want to.
No, I'm good with that. Just stick
Alright.
Taste test.
Gourmet lunch.
No, I can't do that.
Taste test. Come on.
No, that's okay.
It's too hot. Just run it down. Oh god. I'll leave one for Christmas.
Let me get one of them forks. I don't care. I'll take this one.
I just want to say taste test.
I know you do.
You gotta give a review.
No.
I'm doing everybody.
Weird.
Yes, I am. I promise.
Title of this video: Wiener Maxing at Overland Expo. Wiener Maxing? Wiener Maxing. Dude,
That's pretty good.
that trend.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Right, out of 10.
What the
Out
hell?
of 10? 6.8 out of 10.
6.8. What the?
Damn.
Oh, no wiener for you, right?
That macaroni salad sound in there.
Alright, good. Liz?
Oh my god, dude, that angle's crazy. Oh my.
0.5 lens.
Oh. Dude, it's got so much torque, it's gonna rip the handlebars in my hand.
Lower this.
Oh. Oh shit.
Oh, they got zip lines.
Damn, that hurt. All right, everybody, we have made it out of the expo, and it was a fun time. It was a long day, every day. It's really windy and pretty close up to the sun out here, so I got pretty dang sunburnt. But right now we are headed out of the expo, so I'm kind of just sitting in the line to get out of here, and we're looking about 3 hours and 11 minutes to get home. There's a bunch of traffic, but it was a great time out there in Flagstaff. Shout out to everybody who stopped by the booth. You guys are awesome, and it's always amazing to see you guys and hang out with you guys. And yeah, I really like that Bowen flatbed with the camper on it. It looks pretty dang cool. So if I rip this bed apart, we are getting a Bowen flatbed. Would be pretty dang cool, actually. But yeah, it was a great expo. Saw a bunch of cool stuff, and yeah, a bunch of cool rigs. I'm really bad at filming these Overland Expo videos because I'm not that type of guy to put the camera in my face and walk around like a ding dong. But I really try my best. But it was awesome to meet all you guys who showed up to say hi, and it's a great time. Great time. There's quite a few Colorados out here, and I'm very surprised actually. But now I gotta wait through the traffic to get out of the actual booth here. It is always a chore to get out of the actual expo. If your truck's in it, surprisingly it wasn't too bad. But yeah, we are making our way home now. And yeah, I love you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Just supporting me, to letting me be able to come up here and make things happen. was a great time. And let me get past this little checkpoint here, and I'll talk to you guys in a second. But yeah, I wish I filmed the first night we went up to the second night we went to the Rome Boot Scoot and Boogie with Nomad Wheels, and who else? One of the camper companies. But me and my wife, we did a little bit of a swing dancing out there. Drank way too many beers, and it was a great time. Love all the shenanigans. Went to the Ice Co thing, and the new refrigerator is sick. And yeah, honestly, I rode one of those electric bikes, dude. Those electric bikes, pretty dang cool. Pretty dang cool. I think I want to upgrade one for the channel and bring a shovel out to the desert and the woods and make jumps, because that would be pretty dang fun, I would have to say. Little shenanigans at camp. But yeah, we are heading back home now, and I appreciate you guys so much. You guys are amazing, and I love you guys. And I met a bunch of cool people. You guys are awesome. Support me, and I can't thank you guys enough. But talk to you guys later. Sorry it was a short one. I don't even know if it's going to come out, because it's probably a dud of a video, because it's just a bunch of shenanigans, and we saw some cool stuff. But I love you guys so much. Peace out. Love you. Bye.